Yes, ma'am.
Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Do I have to stay here in the men's unit?
You're challenging my womanhood.
She's an inspiration and motivation to me right now. She just, seeing Mindy is incredible.
Mr. Booth, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry to see you there. I always wondered what happened to you, sir.
Oh my goodness.
In Florida, it was the dramatic moment a judge and a convicted felon recognized they went to middle school together and had been friends.
This is the nicest kid in middle school.
Oh my goodness.
He was the best kid in middle school. I used to play football with him, all the kids, and look what has happened. I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness.
The surprise reunion between Mindy Glazer and Arthur Booth is tough to watch.
Oh my goodness.
As a child, Booth was a promising student and well-liked, but he fell into drugs, gambling addictions, petty crimes, and time in prison.
Oh my goodness.
Good luck to you, sir. I hope you're able to come out of this okay and just lead a lawful life.
Now, 10 years after this, the update is inspiring.
In a remarkable twist of fate, a Miami-Dade judge who gained widespread attention for recognizing an inmate as a former classmate had a heartfelt reunion after his release from jail.
Take care of your family, try and get a job, stay clean. You're going to do something good for somebody else. That's what you got to
believe it. You better believe it. She's an inspiration and motivation to me right now. She just, seeing Mindy is incredible. Because I know where I could have been. But I'm not giving up on life. It's just a new leaf on life for me right now.
He had a good judge who wanted to give him a chance. This is a group effort to see you succeed. Don't let us down.
I won't. I promise not to.
Judge Mindy Glazer was there to greet Arthur Booth as he walked out after serving 10 months. Their initial encounter occurred in her courtroom, where she recognized Booth as her middle school classmate during a burglary hearing. That emotional meeting quickly went viral, captivating millions around the world. During their first meeting, Judge Glazer asked Booth, "Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?" The surprise and emotion were palpable as Booth, overwhelmed, responded, "Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness."
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry to see you there. I always wondered what happened to you, sir.
He transitioned from a smile to tears as he realized who she was.
Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry to see you there. I always wondered what happened to you, sir.
Oh my goodness.
That was back in June when Bond Court Judge Mindy Glazer recognized a former classmate, Arthur Booth.
Glazer reminisced, saying, "This was the nicest kid in middle school. He was the best kid in middle school. I used to play football with him. Look what has happened." Their story took a turn when they met again after Booth's release from a court program.
Oh my goodness.
Good luck to you, sir. I hope you're able to come out of this okay and just lead a lawful life.
As Booth stepped out of jail, he was greeted by his family and Judge Glazer. A heartwarming video captured Booth's beaming smile as he embraced his loved ones and then shared a significant hug with Glazer. "Take care of your family. Try to get a job. Stay clean," Glazer urged him. "You're going to do something good for somebody else." To which Booth replied, "You better believe it." A significant incident involving influencer and content creator Nikita Dragon, who was recently arrested in Miami.
Please don't do that. There's no need for that. There is no need to act the way you're acting right now.
What's the way I'm acting?
Okay?
At the end of the day.
Let go of this. Let go of this.
Please.
Let go of this.
Say please. Say please.
You're gonna escalate this.
No, I'm not. Let's go.
For absolute no reason.
Where's escalating?
This situation has raised important questions about the treatment of transgender individuals in the justice system.
Oh, you're being so mean to a trans girl. I can't believe you as a fucking woman are not gonna validate my womanhood.
You're the one that started it.
You're challenging my womanhood. Let's go.
Nikita Dragon, a prominent figure known for her YouTube channel with over 250 million views and her Instagram following of 9 million, has openly shared her journey as a transgender woman.
Ma'am, you were arrested for battery on a corrections officer, disorderly conduct, battery on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, and then a battery in violation of a county or city ordinance, I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
She's also the founder of Dragon Beauty, a successful makeup line. Dragon was arrested at the Good Time Hotel after allegedly causing a disturbance. Reports say she was walking around the hotel pool naked and, after being asked to stop by security, threw water at them.
Don't do that. You're gonna go to jail if you do that.
You get it. See what I'm saying? This is
Don't do that.
Time, dog.
Come here.
Come on.
When police arrived, she reportedly threw an open bottle at a security guard and an officer, leading to charges of misdemeanor disorderly conduct and felony battery of a law enforcement officer.
You want me to call you Miss? Or what would you prefer me to address you as? Your title? Can't hear, I'm
So
sorry.
it looks like she's here
Oh,
on.
she and her.
Oh, okay, that's fine, thank you.
It looks like she's here on vacation.
Dragon spent at least a day in a men's unit of the Turner Guilford Night Correctional Center before being released on her own recognizance, meaning she didn't have to pay bail.
Oh, from New York.
Right, and there was an incident at the hotel.
So let me read what happened. The Good Times Hotel. Okay. The battery is throwing water or spilling water at the officer and the security guard.
No objection to reducing the bond.
You're going to order that you stay away from the Good Times Hotel. Do you have to go there to get your personal belongings?
I do.
All right. So
Her representatives criticized the Miami police for how they handled her incarceration. They emphasized that placing her in a men's unit is not only disturbing but also dangerous. According to Jack Ketsoyan, a representative for Dragon, this decision violates protocols that require transgender inmates to be housed based on their gender identity and safety needs.
you're not allowed to go back there, but you can return there to get your personal belongings. Otherwise, you got to stay away from there. And if you go there to get your personal belongings, I don't know, you want to stay away with her? She doesn't live here.
I mean, I think that she caused trouble at the hotel. I don't think they want her back there.
Unfortunately, this is not an isolated incident. Many transgender individuals in the U.S. face similar challenges, often being placed in facilities according to their sex assigned at birth, regardless of their gender identity. Research shows that transgender inmates are at a significantly higher risk of assault and abuse.
Your Honor, may I ask one question?
Sure.
Do I have to stay here in the men's unit still?
Yeah, I don't make the rules up there, but they should make a proper accommodation for you. You should be in a separate area. You can contact the bondsman to try and get you out. Miss Corey, do you want to note your file that makes to follow up to make sure she's able to get hold of a bondsman to bond out?
This isn't the first time Miami's treatment of transgender individuals has come under scrutiny. In 2020, 3 transgender people filed a lawsuit against Miami-Dade County, alleging abuse stemming from being misgendered during their incarceration. During her court hearing, Dragon reportedly asked whether she had to remain in the men's unit. The judge responded, "I don't make the rules up there," which highlights the systemic issues within the correction system.
Yes, Judge. Miss Dragon, can I please have your phone number or contact number that once you're out we can get in touch with you?
Yes, ma'am. It's the same one I've had my entire life.
So when you get out, please keep in touch with the public defender's office, and I'll make a note for the attorney to reach out to you soon and see if you can get in touch with the bondsman, okay?
Nikita Dragon is set to appear in court again on December 7th, and we'll be keeping an eye on how this situation develops.